Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a Prime wardrobe unboxing again from their Amazon styling service. I'll tell you guys more about the service at the end. I want to open this up and do some really quick first impressions of things. So, okay, again, this is one that it takes long enough between when I pick out items and when it gets sent to me. I forget literally everything that is sent me. So I'm gonna do quick first impressions here. Okay, moto jacket, which actually looks like a good fitting moto jacket, and it's got these studs on it. I'd be tough in this, be biker Jen. I think it actually looks like it might fit though, so I'm hopeful in that. Basically, it's this green V-neck, twist front, sheath style dress, which I love a sheath style, so I think this would be a great business dress. So I like that a lot. Ooh, I see in this technology, look and wear a size smaller. Everybody likes a slimming jean. Okay, so we have a skinny, just very clean jean, though it looks like a straight leg, a raw cut, but there is actually a hem there. So I would like to branch out on jeans for more than just skinny jeans, to have more tight straight leg or whatever. I get terrified sometimes with the changing of the trends, and I have so many pairs of skinny jeans, and like anytime I think another trend is coming on, it's just like I look in my closet and I'm like, no, please don't change trends, because I spent a lot of money on these and I want to wear these for like forever. Okay, this is very interesting. This is a t-shirt, rounded hem here, but it's actually quite thick. I like that a lot because I would love to layer this under cardigans and jackets in the winter, and it has great thickness to it. So very interested in that piece. Another pair of jeans, which I don't need any of, but I keep having them send me some. So these are distressed, so just some good heavy knee distressing, and I think some back pocket distressing as well. So super cute. I'm always obsessed with distressed jeans and just wish I had more days in which I could wear them. Next up, animal print. What are you? So it's an animal print turtleneck. It's a lot of animal print. I could see this with some great high-waisted black pants, something like that, just tucked in, looking cool, or some black paper bag pants. So we'll see. And then we have a black long sleeve shirt. It's just a very simple long sleeve shirt. Just, you know, feels decent quality, and you can never, for me, I love basics. Love basics, because I feel like I never have enough. So okay, maybe. Now I have a pair of shoes, which is always exciting. Okay, booties. These are kind of a low heel booty. I like these a lot. I'd be in love with them if it wasn't for the toe, a little bit pointier than I like, because as you guys hear, I'm just weird about pointy toes. I'm just not a fan. So not a huge fan of the toe, but we'll see what I think when it's on, because occasionally there are things where it's like, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. So I like them though. Okay, so I like all the pieces they have sent to me, and I'm excited to try them on. A couple pairs of jeans, which is always super exciting, and let's go ahead and put them on. Okay guys, first outfit here, and I've actually got half of the box on right now. So let's start at the top. So the jacket actually fits really well. I'll say it is Jack by BB Dakota, and when it comes to jackets, I've had the most success with them as far as getting well-fitting jackets for me that are not petite. So the sleeves are a little bit long, but not too bad. Let's see if I can scrunch these up. No, there's no. You know, some of those jackets really scrunch up, and actually it's a cute look. that's not gonna happen from one of these. So I've got it, you know, partially zipped up. I found that with moto jackets, I tend to want to wear them open, but then I also struggle with the fact that they don't look as good and fitted that way. But it's a good jacket. So here's the whole view. So, okay, so moving on. So I like the jacket. I'm not completely sold on it. I'm also not I'm not a very hard person. Our band's not a hard band. I'm not really a huge stud person, but it's fine. I don't know, it's fine. The t-shirt I think is super comfortable. I love the thickness of it, the softness of it. I think it layers well. It's a long top. Now tucking it, because it is so thick, is probably not super great, other than if I want to just do, you know, a simple front tuck. It's not too bad. So there you go. So this one will probably be just dependent on what the price is to see if I want to keep it. So the jeans. Okay, the jeans I like. They fit well. They have good room to breathe up here, though one might say maybe too much room, you know, too much like crotch room, which is never the best. They have like super soft material, and I saw here it says Dream Soft Innovation, Patent Pending Soft Embrace Lining, Premium Stretch. So it's got like this, I'll show you guys at the recap. It's got kind of this lining around the top here, and it is soft, yeah. And the pockets are super soft. I don't know if you can see that material, so that feels nice. But the jeans I like, I'm not sure they stand out above other distressed jeans. I will say these are shorts, aka petites, but they are still, you know, I did a bit of a roll on it, and then the knees are still a little bit low. Kind of wish, you know, they'd been up a little bit higher. No big deal. So they're cute. Again, I think it'll just be a matter of if the price is right. Here's a $360. It's a mid-rise, though. It does feel almost, it's very close to feeling like a high-rise, so it's not bad there. The booties I don't hate. I kind of like them. They're a little bit pointier than what I'm used to, but I'm not mad at it. Like I said, sometimes I'm just not mad at it, and this is one of the times. So I'm genuinely considering keeping these, and they're not very tall, so it is kind of a nice flat feel to it, so I like these. Okay, so far I'm really liking everything. I do enjoy these Prime Wardrobe boxes. So, all right, let's do the next outfit. This is how I die. Death by turtleneck. This is how I die. Have turtlenecks always been so tight? I mean, has it been just that long since I've worn turtlenecks? I mean, it is, it's tight. And I'm not quite sure, am I just supposed to fold it over? Do they scrunch turtlenecks nowadays, or do they still just like do a simple fold over? I really have not worn a turtleneck in just a very long time. I realize that they've sort of come back in, but I am more of a cowl neck person than a turtleneck person, and it's hard to breathe in this. It reminds me of, there are a couple of times I've had a dream at night. I've had a dream where I'm like choking or something's keeping me from breathing, and I'll wake up and it's just like a cat laying across me, and it's like, oh, I love you, but I can't breathe. So that's this turtleneck. The sleeves are actually like super long. Like whose dimensions are these for? But I mean, they scrunch up fine, no big deal. I've already complained about the turtleneck, so that's not ideal. I mean, it's cute. I feel stylish with it just tucked into a pair of jeans, and I like it. I genuinely like it, but I just don't know that I could get past this turtleneck. I feel like at the end of the night I would take it off and be like, so anyways, the jeans, I like these guys. So they're unique. They are unique as in, you know, kind of the straight leg look, but I like that it has the cutoff with the hem on it. I like that it's a great length for wearing a short booty like this, and I don't have anything like it. So, I mean, I have way too many jeans, but I can't say no. And so I'm really thinking about keeping these. You go, again, these are ones that I could wear to work. Though I've got plenty I could wear to work. I just don't know. Again, we'll see price and decide what to keep from there. I've got another top and then I've got a dress. Okay, this one is, you know, a decent sturdy shirt. It's actually not all that comfortable. This reminds me of the way they used to do shirts before they figured out how to make them all soft and stretchy. So this is like a very sturdy, structured shirt. So it's okay. I'm just gonna say it's okay. I was gonna tuck it in my pants and then I was like, I don't like it that much. So, okay, dress. Last up, we have this green dress. I like that it is a V-neck. I don't know why I have so many hair ties on my wrists and Fitbit. It's not really a great style. Anyways, it's kind of a 3/4 length sleeve, though it scrunches up really nice. And the twist front detail is cute. And I like a sheath style because it's not too snug here, so I think that's okay. Well, I'll check it out when I go to edit, but I like it. I think it's a cute businessy dress. So yeah, and I don't really have a lot of business type dresses that are longer sleeve like these. So I keep saying that my office is going to casual, but they seem to be taking forever, so I'm just gonna keep going down the business route until we go to casual. So it is a longer dress. I don't know, part of me maybe wishes it was a little bit shorter. Maybe not, I don't know. I just feel like the longer length can make me look even shorter at times. I've tried these booties on with every single outfit and I've kind of liked them with everything. I don't know, I almost wish they had more heels when I wear it with a dress, but I really like them with both other pairs of jeans. So, okay. Let's go over brands and prices and what I'm gonna keep and the service, and just we'll talk about our feelings and it'll be a great time. All right, so time to talk about the service super quick and talk about prices. So the service, just $5 a month, and a stylist picks you out maybe like 16 items and you pick 8 of those to have sent to you. So the awesome thing is everything you get is kind of something you want, because it's pretty easy out of 16 things to find stuff that you like. Like I said, that I am convinced that there isn't an actual stylist, but machine learning is kind of to your advantage. So I'm guessing as you go through this, the system will get smarter and know what you like and learn probably more about yourself than you know about yourself. So that's kind of interesting. So you get a whole week to decide what to keep and send back what you don't want to keep. The $5 does not get applied to anything you purchase, but a $5 fee for, you know, getting stuff shipped to you for free and you getting to try these stuff on is great. I've mentioned this in prior videos. You can swap in stuff if you want them instead. I think I did that in the dress, that I put in a different color just because I have a ton of burgundy in my closet now, and I think that's what they gave me, so I switched to green because I don't have nearly as much green. So I think that's a great option. I think that's it on the service. So let's go over brands and prices and decide what to keep. So the short sleeve green top is by Daily Ritual. It is the women's super soft terry short sleeve shirt with shirt tail hem, and it is $19.16. So 20 bucks, not bad. Now, do I have other green tops that I already don't reach for that much? Probably, yeah. So, and I do like olive, but I don't know. I like it. It was soft, it was comfortable. Super soft and comfortable, but so are my other olive shirts. So that's the only reason I'm thinking about not keeping, is just because I already have some of this stuff. Again, we'll see based off of what I decide to keep. All right, so then we have the Lee Women's Dream Soft Skinny Slim Fit Skinny Leg Jean, and it is $39.63. I was a definite no at these. They were long and I'd have to either cut them off or roll them. I did want to show you guys kind of the lining that they're talking about. So this is a very soft material that kind of goes around the front, and the pocket is made out of that. So that is nice. The only thing that I was like, oh shoot, I might want to keep these, is they actually have a patch underneath the distressing, which means Jenny that's me, can wear these all winter long because I wear leggings underneath my pants. So usually I don't wear distressed jeans because I don't love it when my leggings poke through. But since my leggings would be completely covered up, I can wear these all winter long. So again, a maybe. We're gonna give this a maybe, but I love that they have a patch behind the distressing. I think that should be more of a thing because maybe some of us don't want our legs poking out. So then we have by Jack by BB Dakota, the Juniors Muffin Ripple Vegan Leather Moto with stud details, and this is $42.52. So it's Juniors. That explains why it fits. $42.52, great price for this. Is that going to convince me to buy it? No, I just don't think this is my style. I don't think I would reach for it, but great fit, and I'm really happy about that. Then by Rachel Paley, we have the women's jersey basic turtleneck in leopard, $49. So I did like it. I felt kind of cool and stylish when I had them on with my high-waisted jeans and stuff like that, but the choking is an issue, and I don't $50 like it. I like $20 like it. So then we have the NYDJ women's petite size Sherry slim ankle with fray hem jean Cooper Zero Petite, $49.69. So this is one I don't really want to pay $50. I mean, that's a great price for these jeans, and I'm not complaining about that. But I just don't know if I want to pay $50 for jeans right now because I have too many. But the beautiful thing about Amazon is I can just stock this. I can put it in my cart or have it saved and just watch the price changes, and then either when I just feel like it's worth it or if it goes down to like $25 or something like that, I can snatch it up. So I don't think I'm gonna keep these now, but I am gonna hopefully snatch these up in the future, maybe, I hope. Now, the shoes, this is CL by Chinese. This is the laundry women's carrying Chelsea blue boot in black snake. And I don't know, I didn't hold this up so you couldn't really see the texture. It's kind of a snake skin type material. I mean, obviously faux snake skin, but kind of mimicking that. And this is $46.52. I did like these quite a bit. These might be another stocking item because I love these with both pairs of jeans. They were okay with the dress, but I think I'm just gonna stock them. And then we have the dress. This is the Larkin Row women's crepe knit 3/4 sleeve center twist, and it is $29. And I think I'm gonna keep it. I always keep these type of dresses. I have too many of them. I can't resist. I'm sorry. I can't resist. So most likely that's going to stay. And then we have the J. Crew Mercantile women's long sleeve cotton crew neck t-shirt in $21.84. This just reminded me of old school stiff t-shirts that I'm glad we don't have to wear anymore. So it's fine, but I'm not gonna keep it. So basically just thinking about the dress and maybe the Lee's jeans. So I might go on the Amazon and see what kind of, sometimes you could tell what a price might drop to based off of if it's already on sale for other sizes and things like that. So I'm gonna see what the prices are now versus what they usually are or what they could be to make my final decision. But there's a lot here that I love. Though I think the only thing that I was just kind of about was probably the jacket and the black long sleeve shirt, and everything else I was a pretty big fan of. So I thought that was a great box again. Again, I think they are getting better and better each time, and I'm enjoying that. I enjoy that it's a mix of shoes and jeans and tops and jackets, and I like getting a great variety of things. So I'm gonna keep it up. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then I'd greatly appreciate it if you subscribe below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're awesome. Your comments are always so appreciated, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.